Hi, I'm Chuck Dorsett for Weaver Leathercraft, and a rougher has one primary job. Say we want to glue to a top grain. Easy enough on the skive or the flesh side, that's going to take glue in no issue. But when we try to add glue to our top grain, it's not going to want to wick in. So therefore, we need to rough that surface. There are two ways I'm going to use my rougher. First off, if I simply need to glue a small line, and I just need to rough a small area, I can take my straight edge, drop that in, and work my rougher across there. That's going to give me a nice rough, therefore glue is going to stick easily. Secondly though, and this is a good example, I've got 3 layers of leather here. Got a face, a suede, and a backing. I don't want my suede to ripple if the project bends, so therefore I want to cover my entire back piece with roughing. So therefore I can just work my way across. But here's a big point. We need to be very careful with a rougher because that will rough us just as easily as it will rough a piece of leather. Now, the pad, sturdy and durable. But also too, once this is used a little bit, it becomes a little more tame. Now, last point, for weathering. It's not my favorite for weathering because it does too much damage to the leather.